Did you know most people who stay silent about workplace wrongdoing say they did it to protect their family? Her name is Maya, new mortgage, husband working 2 jobs, and she just found out her manager has been faking safety inspection records for months. She sits in the parking lot before her shift, hands on the wheel, heart pounding. She knows what is in those files. She knows what could happen to people if something goes wrong on that floor. And she knows what happens to people who speak up. This is the moment nobody preaches about. Not the easy version where faith costs nothing. The version where obedience has a price tag and you can feel it in your chest. She prays, not for a miracle, just for courage to take the next step. Then she gets out of the car. Proverbs 3, verse 5 says to trust God with all your heart and not lean on your own understanding. Easy to quote, hard to live. What would you do if doing the right thing cost you something real?